1 liter of M by 10 barium manganate in acid medium can be oxidized completely by 1 by 6 liters of X molar ferric oxalate. The value of X is, okay, so if I say barium manganate BaMnO4 twice reacting with the ferric Fe2C2O4 whole thrice, this is going to give you a product which is going to be, this is in acid medium, so manganese comes to be Mn2 plus and carbon comes to be CO2. That is the same thing, and iron will be in Fe3 plus state, Ba plus 2, so which are not changing, I'm not writing. So the only change that is happening is here. So if you have to understand this, let us understand that particular one. So barium MnO4 twice plus Fe2C2O4 thrice. Now manganese is changing to Mn2 plus and carbon is changing to CO2. Let us have only these two into consideration. If I am taking in this particular one, manganese is in +7 oxidation state changing to +2, and carbon, which is in +3 oxidation state, changing to +4. So what will be the condition? If I take this, valency factor is equals to change in the oxidation state 7 minus 2 multiplied by number of manganese 2, that is 10. Same way, valency factor for this particular one is 4 minus 3 into number of carbons 2 into taken 3 times 6, so this is equals to 6. Now coming back to the solving, equivalence of manganate MnO4 minus is equals to equivalent of C2O4 2 minus. So here normality, which can be written as molarity into valency factor into volume of KMnO4, should be equals to molarity into valency factor into volume of C2O4. So the molarity which is given is 1 by 10, valency factor is 10 into volume is 1 is equals to X into 6 into volume is 1 by 6. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. X is equals to 1 molar. So the molarity of the solution ferric oxalate is 1 molar.